guys, and welcome to another episode of Naturally Tones. Thank you so much for coming back if you've been with me this whole time, and welcome for those who are just seeing my face. I hope you guys are having a wonderful night. Now today we bought some stuff off Aliexpress. To get specific, the mannequin area, because your girl decided that she needs to get some extensions for her natural hair. So when these braids come out, and my birthday is in a couple of days, well, a month to be exact, we need to make sure so the hair we're gonna put on makes sense. So I'm gonna show you all that I got in this AliExpress haul. Okay guys, so if you've never shopped on AliExpress, just know like the packaging is nothing to write home about. Like that's really not their specialty. They're not trying to give you the wow with packaging, okay? So got the mannequin head in a plastic bag, but it was wrapped. I just unwrapped it, so that's why you see it here. But I mean, this is actually 23 inches. So I mean, I tried to size it to my head. Does it look almost like my head? I don't know, you let me know in the comments. Okay, so I got this. I'm gonna rest that down there, and then the rest of the stuff came in a bag. Now let's see what this haul gets you. And guys, I bought this mannequin headset for around 3,500 Jamaican, which works out to like 24 US dollars, because it was free shipping and it was what they call a super deal on AliExpress. But now they actually have it for $18, which is 2,815 Jamaican dollars. So if you're in need of a mannequin head at a good price, now is the time, because customs not gonna trouble you. One of the main reasons why I actually chose this mannequin head over all the others is because of the setup that it comes with. Because a lot of times the mannequin heads just come by themselves, but this has seemed to have a very easy setup. So I'm just gonna set it up on camera so that you guys see the work that goes into setting it up. So it actually comes with 3 pieces, all right? So all you have to do is to put this piece into this piece, butt in. So you pull it. Wait, am I doing this? Looks wrong. Wait, we're gonna go the other way. This is looking like madness. Oh, I was wrong. So it's actually this way, right? And then you're just gonna put it in this, like this, right? Because you want the ball to be here, so that way you can rotate it, right? And then you're gonna fasten this onto this, like so. See? Screwing it out. And then we're gonna take our mannequin head and put it in. Now you see, now I feel like I got this wrong. Guys, I feel like I got this wrong. I feel like it should have been, it's right. Okay. Right. So here we go. So now our mannequin can dirty wine. So then you would just go ahead and twist down the metal part. Well, I went the wrong way. So we twist down the metal part in order to get your mannequin head on a table. See? You see that space that it's now leaving? Yeah. So I'm gonna put it on my table and show you guys how it looks. Can't say that wasn't the easiest setup on I ever see. And I feel like this mannequin head come with enough things that we can use for style liquor here for my birthday. Not true? And of course, for that video, I'm be sure to link that up top once it's out. But thank you so much for watching another episode of Naturally Tones, guys. I appreciate you so much for coming back. And if nobody tell you before, no, say you pop in. You're doing the do. Thank you so much for coming back. Until next time, bye.